How are you guys today? So in this occasion, I will give you a demonstration of my UI e-commerce application. So why do I make this uh, UI application? The reason is because I want to learn on how to make uh, a functional and effective UI that are implemented in an Android app. Okay, so let's just get into the demonstration. So the first time when you enter the application, you will got welcomed by the login page. You can, because this is just an experimental, you can use a random email and a random password. When the first time you enter the page, you will you will see the home page. You can see here there are the categories and then the best selling and then the item widget. Even though the image are cropped, but it will fix it soon. Okay, fixed soon. So in this page there are three categories. There's three features. You can go to the search bar, then you can enter and then enter the item you want, and then there are the categories, and the categories actually you can, if there any, if the, how do I say, the screen are small enough, you can scroll the categories horizontally. But because I demonstrate in this website, so yeah, it's like, look, it can't be scrolled. And then the next one is the cart page. Okay, so this is the page where your item will be processed, or yeah, you will, the item that you ordered. And here you can add the item, even though the, yeah, you can add the item or delete it, and then you can check out. Okay guys, it's a reminder, all of these are UI, so the functions might not working properly, but we are focusing on the UI, and then we will improve the functionality and the features. And then the third page is account page. This is the page where you can see your profile, your username, your email, your profile picture. Yeah, even though this is not is this is in working, you can still press it. Yeah, even though it doesn't go anywhere. And then you can go log out. Maybe we will log out later. And then the most interesting part is the chat list. Yeah. So this is how it looks like when you uh, open the chat this page. You can see the list of the chat and the last message and the last uh, the time where when they send the message. So we can go choose one, then we can go chat. Yeah, we will random. We will, okay. So it's kind of work. It, your chat will shown in the page, even though it's not saved because yeah, I've said before, this is just a UI demonstration. And then you can go through the search bar, as you can see. So if we search one of the like that, you can see that the J will show specifically. And then this is the features for showing which chat that you haven't read yet. even though it's not working because all the chat is already been have been read. And then the last one is logout. Okay. So I will show you a bit of the code. I will show you the most how do I say the most interesting is the widget categories on the homepage because this is the page with the most widget included. As you can see here, yeah, I will show you a bit of the code. Okay, now I want to conclude that this project isn't about a normal UI experience. As we know, UI isn't just about an interface, but on how we make an interface that are feel feel how do we say that the customer feel satisfied when use the application like that. Okay, I think that less I say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.